2021 Upper Deck SP Authentic Golf. Personal box break for Sean. Thank you, Sean. Good luck. Haven't seen any bangers out of this yet, so let's get one here. Looking for Tiger parallels, big autos. Kramer, Arnold Palmer. Maverick McNeely on the Star Rookie. Maverick McNeely rookie card. Tiger and JT, Authentic Moments. Tonight's card. Danielle King. Anybody watching? Personals are available. Let me know what you want. I'll get you a price. David Duvall, Authentic Moments. As far as group breaks, we have a couple going right now. We got a couple fillers left to get some Sterling spots off. I have full spots in Sterling as well. And then Bowman, we have a couple fillers and a couple teams left to do the Bowman break. Danielle King, Authentic Moments. JT. Justin Thomas, Star Rookie card. That's cool. That's got to be a decent base rookie. Justin Thomas on the rookie base. Sorenstam and McNeely. Finau and Chichi Rodriguez. Stenson. Hogard. I think my favorite thing about these is that it'd be cool to take to an event to get autographed. I think it's pretty easy to get some of these guys for going on an event. It'll be a while till they're back here in Oakmont for the US Open, but J.B. Holmes. Justin Thomas, Authentic Moments on the JT. Tiger Woods, David Duvall, Authentic Moments. Tiger and David Duvall. Jack Nicklaus. Justin Thomas got a lot of different cards in this product. There's another one. Spencer. Inkster on the authentic moments. Where is our auto in our spectrum? Justin Sue on the star rookie. Let's hope they're both in this pack. The last pack, good luck. Oh my goodness, you know, unless I missed it, which I don't think I did, now we gotta freaking send the thing to upper deck. Ugh. So annoying. How they do this crap. You'd think all these years they've been in business, they wouldn't have any quality control issues. I don't think I missed it. Unless they sign on the back, which I'm checking, but I don't think that's possible either. And I thought maybe I missed a tiny signature somewhere, or it's annoying. Let's see what the box says. It's supposed to be 2 autos. What the heck? I'm thinking 1 auto. It's supposed to be 2. Well, Sean, I will take this UPC, fill it out with upper deck, keep you posted.